10:35. Our train is at 10:30 and we just arrived at the train station. You know what's funny? This is what we wanted to try. Yeah, you want to buy it right now or you want to buy later? So right now the plan is we're looking for food. Oh, this place is huge.
Currywurst without skin.
Yeah.
Original without skin. And some caramel latte, mango passion fruit, and this apple bread. Here's like spaghetti sauce, like marinara sauce.
So when we were walking around Berlin, we were either deciding to go to 36 or 61. Definitely go to 61. This is pretty good.
Oh, that's really good.
We're gonna go find more food. Alright, so there it is. So it's 10:19. So Nicole and I wanted dinner. So I found this place. So our train leaves at 10:33, so I have about 13 minutes. Can I get the donor XL?
Donor XL, yeah?
Organia? Oh, there's no space? Okay, so we are at Duisburg, HBF. And
We have a layover.
yeah, we just came from Berlin. We're going to Amsterdam Central. So we have to wait about 20 minutes until our train comes.
Yeah, 20 minutes. And then it's gonna take like 2 hours.
Yeah.
Roughly. We'll be there around 6.
Hopefully we'll be there by 6.
Amsterdam. That's like 3 days. Also, when you come out of the gate,
If you have a Eurail pass.
yeah, if you have this pass, then you have to scan this. You have 2 tickets.
So we were going to dinner from our B&B is that way, and we're walking by this building, and we found this cat here, just chilling outside the window.
아 귀여워. 아 귀여워. 어떻게 데려가고 싶어.
So we just arrived in Amsterdam about like an hour ago, I think. and we got to the B&B, and then we found this place. It's called Mchi or Mchi. I don't know how you pronounce that.
Do you want the sashimi, sake, and maguro? It's sashimi of salmon and tuna.
Okay.
Sounds
Yeah,
good?
yeah.
So one?
Yeah.
이거 먹어봐. 맛있다? 먹어봐. It kind of tastes like the shrimp. 새우깡.
Yeah, it does actually. Wow, sashimi. This is the dragon roll, and the whatever this was, the ebi.
Oh, I'm trying this one. 맛있어.
Is it actually good?
That one's the eel. 맛있어? Tuna. How is it?
The sashimi is really good.
Yeah?
And
Try
tuna is
this one.
really good. Takoyaki. Oh.
Thank you. It's not as good as Korean. So it came out to be like this. You should get it.
Where was the market then?
Okay, so we came back from Albert Heijn. Local supermarkets, they don't take credit cards like Visa, MasterCard. They only take local, or not local, but
They take the regional, like Dutch credit card companies,
yeah.
like only their cards. So
Yeah.
for us, they didn't take like MasterCard, Visa.
Oh.
And she was saying how the places that are farther from the city center tend to not take anything. They only take like the regional stuff and cash.
We are at the train station.
We're here, this stop.
Plumstraat.
And we just went to Albert.
Wow.
This is how fast we're moving. Go, Tram, go.
So this is the entrance. And the table. Here's the bed. He put his suitcase behind. I put mine here. Refrigerator, trash can, and a little coffee tea area. And then they have this coat hanger. The bed is pretty nice. And then this is the bathroom right next to the bed. And it doesn't have a door. It just has this curtain. The curtain, that's kind of inconvenient. So there's the curtain door. And there's the toilet. That's the fan, window, it's like that, sink, and they provided like 2 cups. Oh no, baby! They provided 2 cups, so we used one as a toothbrush holder, and they didn't provide any soaps. So we asked for one, and she provided the shower gel. and not an antibacterial soap, so we just decided to use our own shower body soap, the Dove one. He's in there.
Not gonna lie, this bed is actually comfortable.
Yeah, that's good. And then here's the shower. It's a little bit flimsy, like this kind of wiggles. This area is a little bit short,